Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today we learn about 4 basic operations on rational numbers. First one, addition. See here, in addition you have 3 types. One is same denominator. Second one, different denominator. Third one, additive inverse. See here, some examples for same denominator. If you have 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5, see the denominator, both are same. Immediately you can add 1 plus 6, that is 7, and you can write immediately 5. What is the meaning for same denominator? When you are ready to add two rational numbers, the denominators are same. The denominator is 5. You can add the numerator immediately. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. If the denominator is different, that is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. See the denominator, both are different. Here 3, here 5. Already we finished many problems. That is, if the denominator is different, you must find the LCM, then change it into the same denominator, then you can add. Additive inverse means if you have 7 by 5, the additive inverse of this is minus 7 by 5. That's all. Just you must change the sign. Plus 7 by 5 is changed into minus 7 by 5. If you have a number in negative, that is minus 3 by 4. The additive inverse of minus 3 by 4 is just change the sign minus 2 plus and write the number. Once again, additive inverse means just change the sign. Plus 7 by 5 is changed into minus 7 by 5. Minus 3 by 4 is changed into 3 by 4. If the denominator is same, immediately you can add the number. One more thing you must know about the additive inverse. If you add this two number, you will get 0. That is plus 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 is equal to 0. Minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Because these two rational numbers are same, but the signs are different. If the signs are different in the same number, immediately the value is 0. Like that for a rational number also. See the subtraction. In the subtraction, you have two varieties. One is same denominator. Next one, different denominator. Same denominator means, for example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. The denominator is same. Therefore, write the denominator. Just subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. If the number is like this, minus 5 by 2 plus 6 by 2. See the denominator is same. See the numerator. Immediately you can write the denominator 2. See the numerator minus 5 plus 6. Write the biggest number sign and subtract 6 minus 5 is 1. For the different denominator, if you have like this 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. The denominator both are different. Immediately you must find the LCM. Then you change the denominator as common. Then you can subtract. Third one, multiplication. For the multiplication, just you find the product. just you multiply the numerator and just you multiply the denominator. One more thing you have, that is product of reciprocals. If you have the product of reciprocals, the value for this is always 1. That is another one name you have, that is multiplicative inverse. For example, for the product, if you have an example 2 by 3 into 5 by 7, immediately just multiply. 2 5s are 10 divided by 3 7s are 21. If you have a common factor, you can divide. Then product of the reciprocal means if you take 5 by 7, the reciprocal means just you take the denominator as the numerator, numerator as the denominator. This is the reciprocal of this. Then if you multiply like this, you can cancel 7. 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7. Then 1 5 is 5. The value is always 1. Once again, product of the reciprocal means if you take a rational number as a factor, then immediately the next factor is the numerator changed into denominator, denominator changed into numerator. The product of the reciprocals means immediately the value is 1. That is multiplicative inverse. Suppose your question is the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 means your answer is 9 by 8. Once again, the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. If you have minus, multiplicative inverse of minus 8 by 9 is minus 9 by 8. Fourth one, division. For the division, just see one example. Divide 2 by 3 by 7 by 8. For this, you write 2 by 3 divided by 7 by 8. First change the division sign as multiplication. 2 by 3, change the division as multiplication. For that, you must change this as 8 by 7. The reciprocal of 7 by 8 is 8 by 7. Then continue the procedure of multiplication. 2 8s are 16, 7 3s are 21. If you have a common factor, you can cancel here itself. Students, from this onwards, you can write in your note. Write the heading, then write exercise 1.1, then start from 8th question. Verify that minus x is the same x for, you have two questions. First one is x is equal to 11 by 15. You must verify with the minus of x. First you find the value of minus x because this is inside the bracket, that is minus x. What is the meaning for minus x? You must multiply minus by x, that is left side already you multiplied minus x, here also multiply minus, you will get minus 11 by 15. Now you find minus x, that is you multiply minus x by minus, minus x by minus. You must multiply minus x by minus, that is minus 11 by 15. See here, minus into minus plus 11 by 15. See here, x is equal to 11 by 15, minus into minus x is also 11 by 15. Both are same. That only they asked to verify that this and this are equal or same or not. Therefore, x is equal to minus x. Then write the second question. x is equal to minus 31 by 45. Yes, find minus x, that is multiply this with minus. What will you get? Minus into minus is plus. Plus 31 by 45. Then multiply minus minus x. Minus minus x. That is, this is minus x. Therefore, minus 31 by 45. That is minus 31 by 45. If you write plus also, no problem. Minus into plus is minus. Therefore, now you can understand that x value and minus of x both are equal. Okay, therefore from 1 and 2 you get, from 1 and 2 we get x is equal to minus x. See the 9th question, rearrange suitably and add. See the question, these two terms have same denominator. These two terms have same denominator. First arrange it properly. Okay, if the denominator is in negative, first change that. Rearrange the rational numbers. See, here in the numerator only minus, no problem. Now take the next term which we have as a denominator 7. This positive sign is for this term. Always the sign for each and every term is present in front of that. Now write plus 5 by 6. See the denominator is 6. Then come to here. The denominator is plus, minus. The term is in positive. Plus divided by minus is always minus. Write once minus 13 by 6. Now take the fifth term. Now see here, already I informed clearly, if the denominator is same, immediately you can write 7 and you can add this 2. What you have? Minus 3 plus 4. If the signs are different, what you have to do? Yes, write the biggest number sign and subtract the number. 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore, the answer is here 1. Plus 1 means 1. For the first term, you can leave the sign if the sign is positive. Now come to the third and fourth term. See the denominator both are same. Write the denominator 6. Now see the numerator, that is plus 5 minus 13. If the term has different sign, immediately write the biggest sign and find the difference. 13 minus 5, that is 8. Therefore, write the sign here, write the number here. Now write the fifth term as it is. Now see the denominator. Here all the denominators are different. Immediately find the LCM. LCM of 7, 6, 3. 7, 6, 3 means you have a common factor for 6 and 3. You can do in the right sign. 7, 6, 3. 3. 2 3s are 6. 1. Next 2 means 7. Next is 7. Therefore, LCM of 7, 6, 3 is equal to 3, 2, 7. Therefore, 3 2s are 6. 6 7s are, yes, 42. Therefore, LCM is 42. Now, once again, write the question, that is minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 plus 5 by 6 minus 13 by 6 plus 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 7 minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now you have a LCM 42. Now you must change the 7 into 42. How you get 42? 7 into 6. Already I gave the clue. See the factors in the LCM. Leave the 7 factor. Then remaining factors are 3 and 2. Multiply 3 2s are 6. Therefore 7 6 are 42. When you are ready to multiply 6 in the denominator, immediately you multiply in the numerator also. Now 6. Then what you have to multiply? Yes, good. 7. Therefore in the numerator also multiply with the 7. Then here you have 3. How you can change the 3 into 42? Come here. You have a factor 3. Except the 3 you have 2 and 7. 2 7s are 14. If you have a doubt, you multiply here. 14 into 3, you will get 42 only. Then in the numerator also you multiply 14. Now multiply all. 1 6 is 6. 7 6 are 42. 8 7s are 56. 6 7s are 42. 1 14 is 14. 14 into 3 is 42. See, now the denominator all are equal. Therefore the denominator is 42. Listen carefully. Now the denominator for all the term are equal. Therefore the denominator is 42. Numerator you can write like this: 6 minus 56 plus 14. 6 minus 56 plus 14. See, these two numbers are positive. First add the positive number. 14 plus 6. How much? Yes, 20. Minus 56 divided by 42. See, one number is in positive, one number is in negative. Therefore, write the biggest number sign. Find the difference. 56 minus 20, difference. Therefore, 36. 36 divided by 42. You can divide if you have a common factor in both numerator and denominator. Do you have a common factor in 36 and 42? Yes. 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42. Therefore, your answer is minus 6 by 7. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? Read the question carefully. What should be added that you don't know? Let you take that number be x. Okay. Therefore, given x added plus 2 minus 8 by 9 to get, therefore that is a result equal to 2 by 5. Once again, read the question carefully. What should be added? எதை add பண்ண போறீங்க? 2 எதுக்கு கூட minus 8 by 9 to get, that is the result. கிடைக்க போறது 2 by 5. What should be added? That you don't know, you take it as x. Added 2 minus 8 by 9 is equal to 2 by 5. For this, our aim to find the value of x. First, you convert the sign because you have two sign continuously. If you have two sign continuously, immediately change the sign. Plus, here you have a bracket, therefore into. Plus into minus. Plus into minus, minus 8 by 9 is equal to 2 by 5. Once again, If you have a sign continuously, then change the sign immediately. Plus into minus is minus. Now see here, to find the value of x, keep the x left side. Right side you have already 2 by 5. Change the minus 8 by 9 into the right side. That is, you have to take minus 8 by 9 to the right side. If you change the term left to right, you must change the sign also. Here minus 8 by 9, it changed into plus 8 by 9. Once again, to find the value of x, you must change the remaining terms to the right side. When you are ready to change the term left to right, you must change the sign also. Minus 8 by 9 changed into plus 8 by 9. Now you can do, because you have two terms with different denominator. Therefore, immediately find the LCM for 5 and 9. 5 and see, already this also I explained to you. No common factor except 1 means immediately multiply 5 9s are 45, that is the LCM. Therefore, you must change the 5 into 45 and 9 into 45. 5 9s are 45, 9 5s are 45. Now you are multiplying 9, therefore in the numerator also multiply by 9. Denominator you are multiplying by 5, therefore you multiply in the numerator also 5. 2 9s are 18, 5 9s are 45, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45. Now check the denominator, both are same, because our aim to changing the denominator equal only. Therefore 45, numerator 18 plus 40. If the denominator both are common, immediately you can add 18 plus 40, that is 58 by 45. Do you have any common factor? This is even, this is odd. The number 45 is divisible by 3, yes, but here it is not divisible. Here no common factor for 58 and 45 except 1. Therefore, your answer is 58 by 45. See the 11th sum. Subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. What is the meaning for from? First we take the term after from, then subtract with this. Therefore, your question is minus 17 by 11 minus 8 by 44. If you have a sign continuously, immediately you must put the bracket. Then first you cancel this two sign with single sign. How you can cancel the two sign with a single sign? Just multiply. Minus into minus plus. See the denominator, both are different. Therefore, find the LCM 11 and 44. Yes, you have a common factor, that is 11. 1 11 is 11, 4 11, then 4 1 1. Otherwise, if you give 2 also you will get once again. Therefore, anyway your LCM is 44. 11 into 2 into 2, that is 44. See here, LCM is 44. Don't change the term 8 by 44, because LCM is 44, here also 44. Therefore, don't change the term. Only our aim to change the first term 11 as 44. Multiply 4. Therefore, minus 17 into 4. Multiply minus 17 into 4. 7 4s are 28, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 68 divided by 11 into 4 is 44 plus. Now see the denominator is common, therefore write 44 numerator minus 68 plus 8. Minus 68 plus 8. Different sign. Write the biggest number sign. Subtract 68 minus 8, that is 60. Therefore, minus 60 by 44. Evaluate 9 by 2 into minus. For the multiplication, no problem. Don't see the denominator. Just multiply the numerator and denominator. If you have a common factor, you can cancel. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Then check, you can't divide. You didn't have the common factor. Now, therefore, just multiply. 3 into minus 11. Therefore, minus 11 3s are 33. 2. One more thing, you must check always if the numerator is greater than the denominator. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, you must change it into mixed fraction. That you know already. Take the numerator divided by the denominator. 1 2 is 2, remainder 1. Take the next term, that is 3. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. Therefore, write the quotient, that is 16. Then write the remainder divided by 2. You must write in the mixed form. That is minus numerator. Then take the half portion and put the division sign. Write the remainder divided by divisor. Therefore, 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3 is equal to minus 16 1 by 2. Then second one, minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. See here, minus divided by minus plus, okay. Don't forget, minus divided by minus is always plus. Then try to divide. These two have a common factor 7. 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. Now, yes, 27 and 24 have a common factor. Can you guess that? Yes, 3. Therefore, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. Now, you didn't have the common factor, just multiply. 1 into 8, 8, 9 5s are 45. Therefore, our answer is 8 by 45. Divide minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by 10. First write the question, minus 21 by 5 divided by minus 7 by minus 10. See here, minus divided by minus, therefore plus. First you change that. 7 by 10. Because minus divided by minus is plus, therefore first change that sign. Next, change the division. When you are ready to change the division sign, just change the after the division sign term, that is 7 by 10 can be changed into 10 by 7. When you are ready to change the division to multiplication, immediately you must write the reciprocal of the number 10 by 7. Now, same procedure. Minus 21 into 10, denominator 5 into 7. 21 and 7 have a common factor. that is 7th table. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. 5 and 10 have a common table, 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Now you didn't have any common factor, therefore just multiply minus 3 into 2 minus 6 divided by 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore don't write the 1 in the denominator. Therefore your answer is minus 6. How you can write this number? Minus 3 divided by 13 divided by minus 3. See here you didn't have the denominator, but one number is there. What? Yes, good. For all the number you have a denominator, that is 1. For all the whole numbers you have a denominator, that is 1. Now change the division sign into multiplication. Minus 3 by 13 is changed into minus 1 by 3. Minus 3 by 13, change the division sign into multiplication. Change this rational number into reciprocal, that is minus 1 by 3. Now minus into minus plus. You have a common factor here, that is 3, 3. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Therefore 1 into 1 is 1. In the denominator you have 13. Therefore your answer is just 1 by 13. Don't write plus. For the positive number you can leave the sign. Now third one for you homework. Third one is minus 2 by minus 6 by 15. Try and do without mistake. Simplify 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10 as a rational number and show that it is between 6 and 7. This is simplify 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10. First do the work which is inside the bracket. Always you must complete the function which is inside the bracket. Therefore 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. See, the denominator are different. Find the LCM. See, no common factor except 1. Therefore LCM is 5 2s are 10. Therefore LCM here is 10. Change the 5 into 10 and 2 into 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Therefore multiply 2 in the numerator. Multiply 5 in the numerator. 3 5s are. Then write the division sign and write 3 by 10. Now multiply 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10 divided by 3 by 10. Now see the denominator, both are common. Therefore immediately you can add. Write the denominator as 10. Add 4 plus 15 divided by 3 by 10. 4 plus 15 is 19. 19 by 10 divided by 3 by 10. Now change the division sign. That is into, then reciprocal of 3 by 10 is 10 by 3. Now do you have a common factor? 10. Therefore 1 10 is 10. Now you didn't have the common factor for 19 and 3. Therefore just multiply and write, that is 19 by 3. See here your question is the number lies between 6 and 7. For that you change this number into mixed fraction. 19 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 1. Therefore 6 1 by 3 greater than 6. Therefore immediately you can say this number lies between 6 and 7. Therefore 2 by 3, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10 lies between 6 and 7. Students, for you already you have one homework. Now examples 1.6 to 1.12. From page number 16 to 19 you have the question, but don't copy from the book. Do all the problems how you learn in this class.